All right, guys, this is before Eric's ARTAS Robotic FUE procedure, which was done 12 months ago. Allow that image for me, Eric. Look at this, guys. 12 months post-procedure, ARTAS Robotic FUE, We Grow Hair Indy. Look at this density. Come back down to the before picture. Fantastic. We did both sides. We'll have a look at the other side here shortly. But look how natural this is, guys. Look at the density up here. It's got this beautiful wave curl to the hair. Density is sensational. Come back out. Have a look at that before picture again. Love the beard as well. Fantastic. Look at the donor area. The benefit of robotics with harvesting is, of course, accuracy and reproducibility. So robotics can do thousands of movements accurately, where the same movement is achieved for the first graft that we take and the very last one. So there's no human error, fatigue, or element involved. We just use the robot for harvesting the follicles. We still use the human hand to place them. Eric, let's have a look at that other side, buddy. All right, guys. Before procedure and after procedure. Look at this. Very natural, like you cannot tell transplants from non-transplants. We went right through this whole frontal forelock because there was some thinning through the whole area. Before, after. Pull both those up again for me, Eric, if you don't mind. Thank you, sir. Guys, look at this. ARTAS Robotic FUE, before, after.